get the best bang for your buck. So each nail plate is $8. The first one is the M052. So this is a Pardon My French plate. If you're just looking for something that's classic, pink and white is still pretty classic amongst most people. And I also want to mention, if this fits your toes, you can also use this plate on your toes as well. So you get, oh my gosh, the number of ideas that you can do with this plate is so awesome. The next plate I have is Chic Peak BMXL 476, a simple marble. You can take any part of here for stamping and stamp them along your nails. Really simple design. The next one I have a collaboration that we did a while ago with Ellen Dish, and this is BMXL 201. Again, it's trying to go for something that's more classic. You can use these plates for so many different occasions. The next plate I have is M278. Now this is a classic gradient, which I think, again, it's classic. It's gradient, something really simple, something really eye-catching to look at on your nails. And the last one I'm gonna say, and I will be honest, this is kind of becoming a personal favorite of mine, but the terrazzo plate. But I love a good plate that you can just do so much with, you know? Like, you're not locked down to any one specific color. Honestly, if you were to use just the same 3 designs all season and just change up the colors, I'm not sure people will really know. So far, I don't know, how do you feel about my suggestions? Pretty good for on a budget, huh?